We are going to review top 5 best heavy-duty sewing machine. Let's get started. List number 1. JANOME HD3000 Heavy-Duty Sewing Machine. Produced by JANOME, the HD3000 is a heavy-duty sewing machine that is great for tailors that are at the beginning of their road or more advanced users that want to improve their skills. The product has a heavy-duty aluminum body and comes with 18 stitches that also include a one-step buttonhole. Free arm capability, horizontal, full rotary hook, painted aluminum body, maximum speed, 860 SPM, 18 stitches maximum stitch width, 6.5 mm, maximum stitch length, 4 mm, lane thread tension control, dial foot pressure adjustment with 3 steps, extra high pressure foot lift, snap-on presser feet, built-in needle threader, built-in thread cutter. List number 2. Singer Heavy Duty 4423 Sewing Machine. Singer made this model, the Heavy Duty 4423 sewing machine for heavy-duty projects but also for people that need to take their sewing machine with them. If you want to work on materials such as denim or canvas, then this model is definitely worth taking into consideration. It comes with 23 stitches, including a one-step buttonhole, but also an incredible speed that will help you work more faster. Even though it is a sewing machine created for heavy-duty jobs, it has an adjustable foot pressure that will let you sew also very lightweight shears. The Singer 4423 heavy-duty sewing machine is a true workhorse. With a heavy-duty metal interior frame, stainless steel bed frame. List number 3. Singer Quantum STYLIST 9960 Computerized Portable Sewing Machine. This Stinger model, Quantum STYLIST 9960, comes fully packed. It offers the best variety of stitches, 600 sewing built-in stitches, that you can mix and create unique designs. It has a speed control that will let you choose the exact speed you want to work on. Another great feature that this heavy-duty sewing machine offers is the thread trimmer button that will help you cut the top and bottom thread when you finish the stitching process. Automatic needle threader. Threading the machine is so easy that you can have the entire machine threaded, from the spool to the needle's eye. In seconds the built-in needle threader threads the eye of the needle for you, eliminating eye strain and frustration. List number 4. Singer Heavy Duty 4411 Sewing Machine. The last Singer Heavy Duty sewing machine I want to present today is the 4411 model. It is probably the cheapest heavy-duty machine that you can buy and be happy with the results. Just as its bigger brother, the 4432 model, this one also has a very powerful motor that will allow you to sew at an intense speed. It comes with 11 built-in stitches, including a 4-step buttonhole. A very useful feature of this sewing machine is its top drop-in bottom that will help you always see your thread and decreasing the chances of running out in the middle of a seam. List number 5. JUKI TL2000 Chi Sewing and Quilting Machine. Designed by the JUKI company, the TL2000 Chi model is an astonishing sewing machine, and if you really want to focus on heavy-duty projects without any other aspects, then this is the best thing for you. It is very portable because it is lightweight. Even though it is not a heavy, industrial sewing machine, it still has all the features to turn your heavy-duty sewing at a professional level. It comes with 32 stitches that you can sew at a maximum speed of 1500 SPM. Last but not least, its wide working area, 23 inches, and its auxiliary table will help you create great quilting projects. Updated with LED lights and one pedal operation. 1500 SPM for quilting apparel and home decor.